Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to create repair media now. Plug in an 8 GB or larger USB and make sure you've copied any critical files off it. On a working Windows 10 machine, run the Media Creation tool and choose Create Installation Media. Select USB and the correct architecture so it matches the target PC. Once the tool finishes, safely eject the drive and reboot the broken PC to access BIOS or UEFI. Note the boot key so you can boot from the USB next. Boot from the Repair USB and immediately choose Repair Your Computer rather than Install Now. That keeps your files intact and opens recovery options. Start with Startup Repair to fix common boot problems automatically. If that fails, use System Restore to roll back to a known good point. For deeper issues, open Command Prompt and run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, followed by sfc/scano to repair corrupted files. Make sure to note errors returned so you can target the next action. Once repair is complete, remove the USB and reboot to verify Windows starts normally. If it does, run Windows Update and create a fresh system restore point. If issues persist, return to Command Prompt and rebuild the boot configuration with bootrec/fixmber, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild. These commands repair master boot records and the BCD store. If that still doesn't work, make sure BIOS SATA mode matches prior setting. Mismatched OSI versus IDE often.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.